Chavez Raimundo.
All right, case number 20 TR 19495.
Judge, this is a 30 over speeding ticket, which requires a signature by the officer. I did not, signature by the defendant on the court's copy. I did review it in the clerk's office. I did not see a signed copy. I don't know if you have a signed copy in the court file.
Ruby, do you see a signed copy in the court file? Because I don't see one in SmartBench.
I'm checking to see if there's anything appended. I don't see it. No, Your Honor, I don't see a signed copy. All
right. Mr. Paz.
So, Judge, I would make a motion to dismiss. It doesn't comply with 318.14 subsection 2.
All right, I'll grant the motion to dismiss and dismiss the citation in 20 TR 19495.
Thank you. The next one, Judge, is Da Silva Aguero, Miguel Da Silva Aguero.
All right, 21 TR 3415.
Now, in this case, Judge, reviewing the citation, I saw a serial number for a device. It did not have a manufacturer or a type of device as is required under the Florida rules of traffic court. Usually, if it has at least a manufacturer, I can verify that this is an approved method under the 15B rules. However, I don't have that. I just have a serial number, so I'd move to dismiss for violation of, I think it's 6.445 of the Florida rules of traffic court.
All right, I'll grant the motion to dismiss and dismiss the citation in case number 21 TR 3415.
Sir?
I have next Larry Michael Schmidt, 21 TR 3236 with Officer Sheridan.
I'm here, Your Honor.
All right, very good. All right, Mr. Carney, what would you like to do?
Well, sir, the citation, I don't know, there were some problems with that. I don't know if it's been resolved or not. The citation was originally issued to a Nancy Aline Schmidt.
The one I have here, Counselor, it's Larry Michael Schmidt.
Okay.
With a driver's license from Michigan.
Let's see, the citation that I'm showing in the court file was issued to a Nancy Aline Schmidt.
No, I believe that was amended.
Okay. All right, I see the amendment.
All right, we are here on a hearing now, sir.
All right, Officer Sheridan, will you raise your right hand to be sworn? Do you swear or affirm that the testimony you're about to give will be the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth?
I do, sir.
All right, thank you. You may proceed.
On February 2nd, 2021 at approximately 9:02 a.m., I was conducting speed enforcement in a school zone at 5th Avenue North in the 500 block. The school zone is in operation from 0730 a.m. to 0915 a.m. At approximately 9:02 a.m., I observed a BMW, white in color, traveling northbound through the school zone. I estimated the vehicle speed at 35 miles an hour. My target display on my LTI ultralight LRB showed 35. The vehicle subsequently pulled over. I identified Larry Michael Schmidt by Michigan driver's license and issued him a citation for 29 and a 20, and I wrote it under the municipal statute rather than the school zone statute. So instead of a $403 fine, it would be $128 fine in lieu of, so I didn't get on your docket. That didn't work. The ultralight UX 014184, which is listed on the citation, was calibrated on 1/12/2021. I checked it for accuracy prior to my shift at 0735 and after my shift at 1535. The internal side alignment and distance checked passed. The ultralight LRB is on the approved list according to Florida Administrative Code 15B-2.013. I have my laser operator log, the LTI driver's or the speed measuring device certification also. And I'm a radar and laser operator and instructor.
All right, any questions, Mr. Carney?
Do we show the speed measuring device on record, Judge? I don't know if that had been put on record.
That would be on the citation.
No, I understand, but the calibration information.
Do you have the calibration information or was it filed?
I have it in front of me. Would you like to see it, Your Honor?
Yes, please.
I'll back up a little bit.
I mean, he's got papers there. He's waving in front of us. I'm not being, critical about it, but I'm just saying I believe that speed measuring information is to be filed on record. Also, I note that the citation is issued to or amended to a Larry Michael Schmidt, but I have a client whose actual name is Larry Roger Schmidt, and so the amendment fails also to the citation.
And I see you filed the driving record for your client. Is that right?
Yes, sir. I'm asked for dismissal based on the failed amendment of the citation and also not recorded or filed speed measuring device information as required.
All right, defendant's motion is granted. The citation in case number 21 TR 3236 is granted, or the citation is dismissed. Naples Police Department, anytime you're using the radar or the laser, the speed measuring device, instruments, certificates, those will need to be filed prior to the hearing.
Understood.
Okay. All right.
Thank you, Your Honor.
Good.
All right.
All right. That is what I have this afternoon, sir.
All right. Thank you, Mr. Carney.
Thank you. I know you have many calls. Thank you.
Thank you. Go to Mr. Paz.
Good afternoon, Judge.
Good afternoon.
I have the case of losata, Darian Losata Fajardo.
All right. 21 TR 3392.
David Pals on behalf of Darian Losata Fajardo. I think that's with Trooper Caratala, Judge.
Yes, I believe it is. Trooper, are you present? Do I have Trooper Caratala present?
Motion to dismiss, Judge.
All right, I'm just checking all the names here just to make sure. All right, motion to dismiss is granted. Citation in 21 TR 3392 is dismissed.
Thank you, Judge. Have a good day.
All right, thank you, Mr. Paz. You too. All right, let me go to Mr. Savola.
Good afternoon, Judge.
Good
Steve
afternoon.
Savola for Rodrigo Garcia Latino.
All right, that's 21 TR 3557. And I believe that's with FWC Officer Jackson. Do I have Officer Jackson present?
That'll be a motion if it's timely, Your Honor.
All right, I don't see him present. All right, motion to dismiss is granted. Citation in 21 TR 3557 is dismissed.
Judge, we had consolidated an additional ticket that was written at the same time for registration.
I'm only seeing the one case, Judge.
Yeah, I only see the one also.
Okay.
I do have a motion to consolidate.
I had filed a motion to consolidate March 1st, 2021.
Paula, do you see any other cases for this defendant?
Give me 1 second to search it up, Judge.
Okay, thank you.
Let's see. I found another one, but it's showing disposed. It's case number 21 TR 3558.
Okay, yeah, I do see that Judge Provost granted an order dismissing that case.
Okay.
Correct.
Thank you, Judge.
On the 23rd of April.
Okay, all right, very good. All right, thank you, Mr. Savola.
Thank you, Judge. Bye.
Have a good day.
You too.
All right, let me go to Mr. Raheb.
Afternoon, Judge.
Good afternoon.
Your Honor, we have, in this case, I think there's supposed to be a witness. This was an accident. Can you go get me my file? And just the red file, I don't know if they're up front. I'm sorry, Judge. I think the officer, I might have seen him. I don't know if he's available. We can check. Fedek? I'm mispronouncing it.
All right, and this is on Harry Moreau.
Yes.
Harry Moreau, case number 21 TR 527. And yes, we have Officer, is it Fedak?
Yes.
Sorry if I mispronounced it.
All right. And Officer, did you have some witnesses?
I believe I have the one witness and the other driver.
Are they present, Judge?
Can someone tell me their names?
I have a Veronica Asaro.
All right, do I have a Veronica Asaro present? Don't see that person listed in the Zoom room.
And the other driver was a Jeffrey Smith.
Do I have a Jeffrey Smith?
I'm not seeing that a notice was ever sent out, Judge.
My client has 0 priors, Judge. I'm going to move to dismiss. It's a red file.
Yeah, I'm not seeing a witness list in the case, so I don't think anyone would have ever received notice.
Yeah, I don't see any subpoenas that were issued. Officer Fadak, what's your position?
I wrote a citation for an accident. I have no problem if you want to dismiss it. If he has a good enough record.
He's got nothing actually, but that and the fact that there's no witnesses, Judge, I would ask to dismiss it.
All right, motion to dismiss is granted. Citation in 21 TR 527 is dismissed.
Thank you, Your Honor. Thank you, Officer.
Thank you.
Thank you, Officer Fadak. Let's see if Corporal Grossklas has a better connection.
Yes, sir. Can you hear me now?
Yes, we can hear you.
Excellent.
All right, Mr. Todd, tell us again which case this was.
This is last name Bagno, 21 TR 3602.
All right.
And Your Honor, it's my understanding the state wishes to dismiss this case. I am grateful to the corporal for being so patient in waiting for this case to be called.
All right. Corporal?
Yes, Your Honor. I'm in agreement with it. I was looking over the citation and I realized I used the wrong statute number. I should use a different one for the violation that I observed. And because of that, I wish to dismiss the citation.
All right. Thank you for that, Corporal. The citation in case number 21 TR 3602 is dismissed.
Thank you.
Thank you, Your Honor. I be dismissed.
Yes, you may. Thank you.
And Your Honor, I think I have one more case I'm covering for Attorney Golden.
Okay. Did we covered Asif Bagaroff, right? Correct?
We did.
Okay. Thank you,
Yeah,
Paul.
2 cases.
Okay. Go ahead, Mr. Todd.
Last name Hernandez Garcia. I'm not, I think the case number is 21 TR 4710.
Yes, with
Okay.
Cooper Morales, I believe.
Yes, Your Honor. He was here earlier, I believe. Is he still on the call?
I remember him saying that he only had 1 case, and I think he asked to be excused.
I think that's correct. That was earlier on the docket, Your Honor.
Mm-hmm.
I'm sorry, I wasn't aware. I didn't notice that. I mean, I didn't connect the dots at the time. Otherwise, I would have
Actually,
alerted him.
you know what? I think it might be Corporal Morales from the sheriff's office.
Oh, is it? Okay, I apologize.
No, I'm still here.
All right. Corporal, can you hear us?
Correct.
Okay, there we go.
Corporal J.T. Morales, present. Been here.
Corporal, you don't have a very good connection with us today. Are you still with us?
Yes, I hear you. Hear me?
Yeah, we're having a difficult time understanding you. It's breaking up.
How you doing?
Well,
Hello?
Your Honor, it's my intention in this case to enter a change of plea.
Anybody hear me?
yeah, you're really not
Hello?
coming very clear, Corporal. Let me take a look at I think we lost him altogether now. Corporal Morales has not rejoined us. Let me take a look at the driving record. couple issues with this one, Mr. Todd.
You're referring to the driving record?
No, I'm referring to the citation and the court file.
You mean the alleged high rate of speed?
Well, no, I'm talking, I see that, but no, the citation doesn't include the serial number for the device, and no exhibits have been filed by the sheriff's office.
I too noticed that, Your Honor. I'm happy to raise this. You know, it's kind of a balancing act that I'm attempting here, because the citation is an ordinary speed violation and not a 50 over fine.
I understand.
And I know that no amendments have been made to add any of those exhibits. You have to forgive me, I got this information kind of late on my, excuse me, kind of late on my planning preparation.
Hold on one second, let me check something else.
Sure.
Paula, can you do a check to see if this defendant has any criminal cases?
Yes, Judge.
Thank you.
Okie dokie. I found only this one currently pending. There all his cases so far has been traffic citations.
Oh, he's got more than one?
No, he had one in 2017, one in 2018, and now one in 2021. Okay. Let me remove the Garcia and see if, nope. Let me try just Garcia. Nope, I didn't find anything. So just 2017, 2018, and now this one, and they were all traffic related.
Okay. What'd you like to do, Mr. Todd?
Would you entertain a Warrior Tennis motion to dismiss for the lack of serial number, Rule 6.445?
Go ahead.
The serial number is not present on the citation as required by the rules. The citation only lists the instrument type. There's no exhibits filed, and even if they were, I'm not sure that we would be able to compare them to the citation, as there's no link between the citation and any exhibits because of the lack of serial number on the ticket.
Motion to dismiss is granted. The citation on case number 21 TR 4710 is dismissed.
Thank you, Your Honor.